Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. In our previous class, we solved the exercise for the lesson called the flightless birds. We not only finished this lesson, we also solved the exercise. Today we are moving on to the what? Grammar part, that is gender. Here we will learn about genders. So common nouns can be classified into 4 genders. Common nouns को हम 4 genders में divide करते हैं. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine gender, the names of all the male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. Example, king, hero, uncle. Feminine gender, the names of all the female person or animals are said to be of the feminine gender. Example, aunt, daughter, queen, etc. Then common gender, the names of all the females, then comes common gender, names that can be used for both males and females are said to be of the common gender. I'll repeat again. Names that can be used for both males and female are said to be of the common gender. Example, baby, parent, student. जब आप स्टूडेंट को रेफर करते हैं कि आप ये बताते हैं कि वो लड़की के बारे में बता रहे हैं या लड़की के बारे में, नो, इट इज़ अ कॉमन जेंडर. यू जस्ट रेफर इट कॉमनली फॉर मेल ऑल्सो एंड फॉर फीमेल ऑल्सो. सेम गोज विथ पेरेंट, बेबी, एक्सेट्रा. Then neuter gender. Neuter gender, the things without life that cannot be distinguished either as male or female are said to be of the neuter gender. Example, table, book, shop, etc. Now see here. Write the missing masculine and feminine genders in the given analogies. One has been done. Men are to women as bulls are to cow. जैसे cows एक फेमिनाइन जेंडर है, bulls are masculine. वैसे इंसानों में क्या होता है? Women feminine, men masculine. Same goes with princess is to prince. Princess feminine, prince masculine. As tigress is to tiger. Tigress feminine, tiger masculine. Then rooster to hen. Heroes to heroines. Hen feminine, rooster masculine. Heroes masculine, heroines feminine. Waiter is to waitress, actor is to actress. Priestesses are to priest, mares are to horses. Ewes is to sheep, doe is to deer, gander is to goose, as wizard is to witch. Hares are to heiresses, and men servants are to maid servants. Mothers-in-law are to fathers-in-law, as brothers-in-law are to sisters-in-law. Shepherdess is to shepherd, stewardess to steward. So see here, words that are of common gender do not indicate if a noun is male or female. Common gender के जो words हैं ये indicate नहीं करते कि वो male है या female. It is common. Words that are neuter gender name inanimate and abstract nouns. ये जो non-living things को indicate करते हैं. No female, no male. Just for inanimate, non-living things and abstract nouns. Read and identify the genders for the following words. Agent, common gender. Child, common gender. Kitten, common gender. Hospital, neuter gender, non-living thing or abstract noun. Baker, common gender. Street, neuter gender. Carnival, neuter gender. Water, neuter gender. Car, neuter gender. Thought, neuter gender. Lawyer, common gender. Plumber, common gender. Okay? Now read and unscramble. The following species of animals have common male and female names. In the following species, the male is called bull and the female is called a cow. अब यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, उन्हें स्क्रैम्बल किया गया है, हमें उन्हें अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है. मीन्स वी नीड टू राइट इट इन प्रॉपर order. So we have written it: elephant, giraffe, camel and whale. So in the following species male is called a bull and female is called a cow. इसमें से एक एनिमल ऐसा है जिसका मस्कुलाइन जेंडर क्या है, मेल इज कॉल्ड, जिसमें मेल इज कॉल्ड एज बुल और फीमेल क्या कहलाई जाती है, काउ. सो दैट एनिमल इज कैमल. कैमल में मेल को बुल कहते हैं और फीमेल को काउ कहते हैं. So same goes with this question. In the following species male is called as. So we have unscrambled these words also. These are also option for this exercise, which is rhinoceros, dolphin and alligator. So coming back to the next one, in the following species male is called as boar and the female is called as sow. So we have unscrambled these: antelope, jellyfish, panda and bear. So the answer is bear. In bear, male is called as boar and female is called as sow. Now in the following species, the male is called as drone and the female is called as queen. So we have unscrambled these words. This is ant, this is bee, this is hornet and this is swan. So answer is B. In B, male is called as drone and female is called as queen. So this is about genders. So I hope you have understood this lesson and also enjoyed learning this lesson. In next class we will learn a new lesson called honest punyakoti. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, what you need to do, you need to study well and take care.